Okay.
All right, I'll call this meeting to order. It is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026. It's 1 PM and we're here regarding the airport credit card machine replacement bids. Our credit card machine is down at the airport. And it was put in about 2015, so we got about 10 years out of it. We looked at Fuel Master, theirs was about 15,000 for the total. And that was including a little over 15,000, including installation. However, that's 4 to 8 weeks out. QT Pod is 15,000, and our World Fuel distributor will go ahead and cover that 15,000. They'll cover the 15,000, and we'll redo their contract. And they'll take $3,000 and, they were gonna give us $3,000 a year. We gotta give that 3,000 back that we received, which is fine. And then we have to cover the cost for the installation, which is gonna be probably $2,500, if that. And they'll be able to install it within the next 10 days.
Okay, so if I understood you correctly, we're gonna give back the 3 and put out another 2,500 or so, but we don't have to pay the 15.
We don't have to pay the 15. That's right. Okay, they're gonna put us under a contract, a 5-year fuel contract anyway, and they'll redo the contract, and so they'll actually provide the QT Pod instead of giving us cash each year.
And we get the problem solved in the next week or so.
Yep,
Okay.
yep, the problem solved next week or so, and then this will be a lot easier machine because that one, we took a card to go down and redo everything, and then the software and everything for that, it wasn't working for our new distributor, and then the problem with the machine itself, the age of it, so this is a better deal. So I think, should we look at probably using LATCF funding for possible installation? But we can look at it. We don't have to decide on the installation today. We can decide on that the next go around when we get to the final price.
How much is
I
it?
think it'll be under 2,500.
Okay.
The guy's coming out of Coeur d'Alene.
I think the biggest thing is we're missing our top fuel sales season,
Yeah.
so getting it repaired
Yeah.
is beneficial to the county.
Absolutely. I agree.
All right, so I would just entertain a motion that we move forward with them amending the contract. And, I'll just do a motion. I'll motion that we move forward with a new contract with World Fuel, or to pay back the $3,000 that they sent us already this year. And then they were going to amend that contract, and they would take care of the QT Pod credit card machine, and then we will take care of the cost of the installation.
I'll second it.
All in favor?
All right.
Okay. So we'll talk about where we want to pull the installation when we get that final
Okay.
amount.
You have it in the airport budget,
Okay.
but that $3,000 they've already
Send it to us.
sent it to us, so we
Yes.
need to
Just pay it back.
out of, and that went into, I'm asking, I'm not telling, did that go, was that into like a grant project? Was this World Fuel into a grant project? I can't
No.
remember.
No, it was a fuel, it's our fuel supplier, and they were gonna put it into, it was to be used to basically upgrade our fuel system. And so when it comes in, I'm not sure where we put it, just.
Okay, so we've already received it?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll look to see where we put that. I can't remember.
Okay.
So I'll look to see where we deposited that. Cause it needs to come out of the same.
Yes.
And then you're thinking, so we won't receive the 15,000.
They're gonna pay
They
for
will
it.
pay for the 15,000.
They're gonna pay the 15,000 themselves and then rewrite our contract and not give us $3,000 a year.
Okay,
That's what we were gonna do, is
okay,
we were gonna try to use that
Mhm.
$3,000, you know,
Mhm.
instead of us using the
Mhm.
cash. So now we don't have to. So
okay,
it's gonna help us out.
okay, so. All right, installation, okay, yeah, you have that in the airport fund to do that.
Okay, good.
As of 5/4, there was like $128,000 in that airport fund.
Okay,
And but you were correct, Commissioner Dose, that we do need to get that up and running because about 5/4, I still had that we were gonna get about $13,000 worth of revenue still yet to come for just the fuel.
Yep.
So you're absolutely correct that we need to get
Yeah,
that.
Get it going.
that's why we're going with QT prod and not waiting. So, all right,
Okay.
there's nothing further. We're adjourned.